drones is kind of new to the market. People think like drones are going to go deliver packages at people's homes, but I do like that you guys took a modern approach to the world and you're trying to give us modern solutions. I think that's great. My name is Austin Ogden. I'm an entry-level process engineer here at Ingevity Corporation in Covington, Virginia. So, from my perspective and what I get to see, I think the reports that you guys generated us are always fast and really professional, have been really, really good. Aeronyde has definitely helped with our accounting and increased our inventory accounting and just really helped us get it down to a T. Here at Ingevity, we always preach that safety is like our #1 thing, and it definitely is. And the fact that you guys hand us out those reports and it's like, even this piece of pipe with the insulation is messed up. I mean, that's awesome because you could walk out and someone could bump their elbow on that. If it's a steam line, they have a nice burn on their arm. And that's a big event. That's, really bad for safety, recordable injuries. We're trying to eliminate all that kind of stuff. So from my point of view, I think the safety and environmental stuff you guys do is like top notch. Send those reports. So it would take a person like me months to go out and walk all that kind of stuff down and figure it out.